Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Kuromi from Sanrio. Let's start off with the center of the page around here, and let's draw in the first eye. I'm gonna do a little slant, and then give it a little bit of a U bottom. And let's add 2 eyelashes. Once you are done with the eye, let's add in a little highlight and color it in. You want to repeat this on the other side, right around here, going out a little bit. And then draw in a similar eye on the right. 2 eyelashes. Highlight and color it in. Once you're done with the eyes, we can map out the face. Let's just draw a little bit of an oval in the middle for the nose. And a little smile right below it. Like so. And with Kuromi's face done, we can draw in the sides of the head. Starting from here, we can go up just a little bit. And then we're gonna meet down right around here. Let's draw in the side of her face on one side, and let's repeat on the other side, going from here to maybe around here on the other side. Now we want to take our time and connect the two from the bottom of her face. And Kuromi does have this little detail for her hood. We're gonna go down and back up. And that should complete her face. Now for her hood detail, let's start off the top right around here from this corner up to this point, and then start drawing a circle all the way around and connect to this point. Like so. Round it out just a little bit. And then on the other side, we're gonna skip a little bit right from the eye, right here, and connect it to the bottom again. And we're gonna leave a little space because this is gonna be where her ear is. And her ear does extend pretty far, so at an angle, we want to go a little bit up here. Let's add a dot for reference. We're going to go out from this dot, going down and out, like so. And we just need to go back in to connect to the head. And let's add a little bit of a detail at the end. It's just going to be a simple circle, like so. And repeat this shape on the other side. It's going to be up. Let's go all the way up to this point. Down and back. And same thing. We just need a little bit of a circle. That's looking great. And once you're done with the head, we're going to do the little collar and the body. But the collar is really simple. Let's actually prepare some details for the collar. We're just going to do 4 circles. Do 1 here, go to the right, 1 here, and we need 2 right below. 1, 2. Once you're done with these 4 circles, we're just going to connect the dots, going out on either side. And then we just need to go these mountain shapes in between these 4 dots for the simple collar. And once you're done with this step, we can move over to the body. Draw little arms on each side. We're going to start with a curve, like so. And then another curve up. And this is going to be 1 arm on this side. Same thing on the other side. Let's do a curve and a curve, and that's gonna be the other arm. And for the body, start from here and curve down just around here for the belly. And then we're going to draw the foot by going down a little bit. Curve out for the foot. Let's do the other side real quick also. We're gonna go down, little line down, and outside for the foot. And for the middle of the body, let's add a dot right in the middle. And we're gonna go out on either side. Draw the back of the foot to connect with the front. Like so. Almost done with the drawing. Now we just need the little bit of tail and then we're good to go. Let's actually draw in a little bit of line to curve the body a little bit. And for the tail, it's going to be a little triangle right here. Let's put a dot right around here and we're going to go out either side and almost like a completed triangle, but not all the way because this is where we're going to connect to the body. And go out, in, to the body. And the final detail is going to be a little bit of skull emblem on her head. It's going to be a big circle to start, filling almost the entire space like so. And we don't want to connect all the way, and we need little teeth, so it's just going to be little rectangles. Really simple. And we need two little eyes for the skulls. It's going to be one right here and another one right here. And that's pretty much it for our Kuromi drawing. Now let's add some color real quick. Today we're just going to be using a nice gray and pink. Let's start off with the gray. I'm going to start with hood. Just color in these two circles first. And then let's just color in each part one at a time. Left ear is done. Let's move over to the right ear. That's looking good. Let's do the hood. We want to avoid the skull just a little bit because that's going to be pink. Hood is almost done. Once you're done with the hood, let's move over to the collar. And we want to avoid the body. And finally the tail is the last piece of gray. And that's it for all the gray. Now for the pink, we want to color in all the areas such as the skull and the nose. Skull's done, so let's do the dots and the nose. We're missing a little bit of gray for the eyes. Finally, a touch of black for some shadowing. Let's see where we can add this. We don't have to do this step if you're not interested in adding some shadows. This step is definitely optional. And there you have it, your very own Kuromi drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.